Sanibonani bafethu, siyanamukela again ku-Starting 11 analysis part 2 wegame yanamhlanje Richards Bay neKaizer Chiefs. Sibonge umdala ukuthi usasigcinile, sibongele iRichards Bay ngokuthi iwinile ngo-1-0 idlala home ishaya iKaizer Chiefs. Sicela nisifollowe lapha ku TikTok starting.1111 YouTube starting 11xi.
Yes.
Siphinde futhi sibe nawo Facebook #starting11.
Yes.
Yeah, angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe udonso wenkabi ku part 2 analysis yale game namhlanje. Khamba kanjani mfethu?
Ngigrand futhi khamba kanjani?
Hayi moja ngimnandi.
Okay, bafethu siphinde sabuya futhi kuyo igame ye Richards Bay versus Kaizer Chiefs ebisemhlathuze Sports Ground. Bafethu siyabonga siphamisa ukubonga kakhulu bafethu please don't forget to follow us on YouTube bafethu at starting11xi. Okay bafethu without ukubosha isikhathi ngicela singene egamini le game le this was a third straight win ye Richards Bay over iKaizer Chiefs. So iKaizer Chiefs iyazi ukuthi mayidlala neRichards Bay kwenzakalani. Kwenzeka the same thing yenzeke namhlanje.
Yeah.
Ama point alala emhlathuze.
Yeah.
iNatal Rich Boys bafethu uwenzile umsebenzi. Okay, abantu abaperformile kule game engibabonile ukuthi baperformile soqala ngegoal scorer uThulani Gumede. Bebusy kwi box yeKaizer Chiefs, ama dribbling winning ama duels wakore goal then keeper wayo ilokhonje Richards Bay ukwazi ukukeep clean sheet. Bese kuba uSanele Barnes noMahala bashaya pressing lapha eKaizer Chiefs. So then ngapha ukuvuma bafethu even though econsidile but eyiwenza ama save anzima kakhulu ukuvuma. Mina kubanthiwe nje ukuvuma mhlawumbe akasave ngale ndlela, mhlawumbe ngabe sikhuluma ngo 4-1 5-0 yabo. Omunye umuntu uMakhad noSolomons bebe solid kona but kuthe igame siya lapha ku 65 60 68 ayi bengasekho especially after sephuma umthetho. Bengasekho right yabo, bengasekho mnandi. Bafethu ilokhonja i-formation ye Richards Bay. So iRichards Bay approach le game ngo 4-1-4-1. So bekufike kube i-defense kube uSikhakhane uZulu umcineka then i-holding midfielder bekumthetho. Then ama attacking midfield bekuSanele Barnes lo I believe lo Stellenbosch. Yeah, then bese kuba uMthembu uZikhali uGumede. Then bese be striker ngoMahala. So ilokhonje formation yabo ilokhonje ikwazile ukuthi ibe solid block. While ama midfielder uSanele Barnes noGumede noZikhali kancane bepusha high bezama exploit ama channels. Then yafika ke iKaizer Fish ngapha yashaya i-4-2-3-1. Goalkeeper I think uyena nje iplayer edlale kakhulu le Chiefs. Ukuvuma i-defense bekufika kuba uSolomons, uMakhati bese kuba uCross oDumo. Lo to cross iball ethi uyalikhipha wa cross. Bese kuba uNkanyiso Shinga. Midfield beku ulomjida lo ubuyile umthetho. Then bese kuba uMabuye. Attacking lo mfana lo i-sensation uvele by. Bese kuba uCheese. Then bese kuba uSirene. Then i-striker ke no other than uNgubo Zodwa. uNgubo Zodwa Silva uNgubo Zodwa Silva ebem isolateile bengena offense be defend ezabona ukuthi kuze ngidlala ibhola ngcono ngihambe ngo defend ngoba mina makumele ngistrike as a striker ngiba ku strike ngistrikela ukuthi kumele ngistrike yabo. So iChiefs binero but ibe reactive through Mabona umthethwa dropping deep to protect ile back four le ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Hayi bandla bona badlalile kodwa i-Chiefs idlala ngama player lama player lawa lama team lawa ama relegation teams yabo. And yazi i-Chiefs mangathiwa idlala ngalabadlali lawo lesemhlabeni ku first division iMotsepe Championship angeke zibuye ngalabadlali lapha yabona i-team mayiwina idlala kabi siyigxeka kuthiwa hayi thina silazi ibhola siyabheda because i-Chiefs i-first half yesizini biwina kodwa bingazi wina kanjani. Mangathiwa nje let's go back ukuthi bafethu siwine kanjani ake sibuyele ke manje besihambe emngceleni ake sibuye saphuma sagudluka ake sibuyele ke manje laphana
yazi wina kanjani befike ikhona la ke wina ngo 4-1 khona bangaphosisi ucele ebelapha kwi10 umthetha edestroyer eswini ngale ithe vele bhayi ngapha kunenye iwinga uvilakazi ngala i-striker isona engingasasikhumbuli yabo. So if umthethwa be deep a defensive midfield lapho lo ebambe ibhola akwazi ukungena ema spacing aphase amabhola ucele laphana iphethe uma uMiguel ayengekho but ngicanga ukuthi kwi defense uMcCarthy uKwenika uMako no Solomons mangaphosisi. So ucoach kwakufanele umdlalo wakhe usuke lapho ukuthi okay mangine strong point laphana eswini angibe ne tag no number 10 ozoba attacking effect yabo affecting effect ngiyasicinga ngiyasiphakela istriker mangathola istriker ngithi vele bhayi ngithi vilakazi deliver izinto siya cross if istriker sami sibona ukuthi ngi-isolated asdrop esize la kwi10 siyanqena
hayi sekudefend
siyanqena yini ukukhuluma nama wing ukuthi bafethu sengithe ukudropa ngicela ningidlalise uzonginika ibhola mawukuthi ngiyakwazi ukubulala indoda ngiyayibulala ngiyakubuyisela siyarana
wena uyiwinga ungayinika nengubo zodwa
kwenzekile basidlalisa cause bebengena choice uvele ibhayo kwamnika nasesiswini bake bamnika ehambe ezingaliphasi on time yabo okusho ukuthi bengimele futhi awubuyisa umqondo ukuthi yazi uma ngibuya kancane ngizesiswini ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngithole ibhola uthi ngiphinde ngithi ukudlala kancane uroll number 10 ngilinike bese kungene nolokhujana nalendoda le eshama long ball lapha uLilepo ngilithatha ngilinike uLilepo noma ngithi vele bye siyahamba ke ngenze something new cause if ngekho njalo ucoacha ngamanamenzi idefend sibona ukuthi defendeke manje adlale kule boyikisa athanda ukudlala kulo makuhama set piece namakhona simbone ukuthi uzoyidlala kanjani lelo role amconvert cause lapha yana kuba vele ama striker amaningi kunzima ukuthi ashaya amabhola ngaphandle kwama creative strikers uyalibona ukuthi wasuka kuphi uReyners ezeyokora igoli lesibili.
That was individual brilliance. This was a high definition quality.
Uma ngabe ngibuza ukuthi ufunani emuva uDa Silva wahlehla too much ulokhujana uReyners ezelithola ngasesiswini ibhola wahamba nalo wayozofika phambi kwedikline. This is how i-strikers siba effective akwali ukuthi hamba omaka but phela noma kiwa phambili ube effective noma sekuphuma kuthiwe ibhola clearishiwe mhlambe kubonakala ukuthi ushaya ama move 1-2 khombisa ukuthi akuwe khona into oba effective ngayo ungahlulwa yiyo yonke into kodwa ukudefend ibhola eliyepalini lakho uyakwazi. Hayi ngiyaqhubeka mfethu
hayi mfethu mina igame engiyibona indlela engiyibona ngayo ukuthi iChiefs bifuna ukuyiwina le game nge-individual brilliance instead of playing as a team yabo ukudlala ngama department ukuthi okay njengamanje silisusa la siya ngapha sidlalisa ubani midfielder kanjalo siyaphambili as a unit but wonke umuntu befuna ukuyiqhakambisa yena ukuthi mina ngayenza lento le futhi ibheki kahle mina ngayithwala ngibe u10 ngiyi1 mina ngaba slice
bamake bese sibuya ngalesi defender sibheke ipali
yabona so technically iChiefs iexecution yayo biphuwa nje bebe slow kwi decision making iChiefs yabo bebephuwa futhi defensive yabo iRichards Bay ibisharp kunabo kuma breaks yabo
90%
ibi sharp kunabo I think iChiefs to be better next season this one noma bengayiyeka ilokhunja babuyelele egolokoqeni labo ku number 9 next season into abangayenza beyeke le useless ball position lo 60% abawutholile bengawuthena ukube ma shots on target
njengoba beno 0
yeah attack yabo nje le 60% iball position ukuthi sidlala asazi nathi ukuthi sifuna senze njani yabo nalento yabo yokwenza kube ne lone striker lapha nonsense le lone striker leyo ngubo zodwa umbhedo loya because lo muntu akasupplier akenzelwa lutho uza drope futhi usuke sedubile naye ukuthi hayi uvela abangiphaseli nami angitholakali angazi kwenzakala inonsense le okay ke enye into improve phela kuma set pieces yabo be good phela entweni eyodwa ke kusho ukuthiwa hayi ke iChiefs ayithola ikhona hayi kusengenzeyo noma ngayini iChiefs mayithola ifree kick hayi bafana gadani bani yenza iba nento ke sikusaba ngayo ke sikwazi ukuthi hayi ke mama kuthiwa ama clean sheet and indawo edangerous ukwazi ukuthi hayi ngoba kukhona ubani nobani bazohead ngoba kukhona ubani nobani hayi uzokushaya yabo mina ngikambona umdlalo weChiefs makune free kick ayishaye direct
usuke kuphi lokuthiwa uyahamba iyolekelela emuva makwama set piece cause set piece ibhola lisuke licinga umuntu oseboxini le opponent ozolheada ingene nethini ozolishaya or ozoyenza something abe ne-assist
and bayadinga ukwenza ama drills ama clinical finishing drills thiba bafethu masanibhekane nepali bulalani shayani yabo lento leyo ukuthi sizo create chances le ndaba yo create manje asiconvicting manje yabo ilento sesikhuluma sibuka kwamanye ama video ukuthi labantu lamajita seNorth hayi ngoba ehlula ibhola la eMzansi sintswempu but lento lokuthi we create chances ama team aseNorth anqena igame yonke defend create 2 chances 2 goals
balifaka phakathi
then it's done
abalikhosi phezulu epapa
done then isize ngapha ku defense yabo lama individual errors la wenza cross uthi ukhahlela ibhola ulishumbe usuya umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs phela that is the biggest team in Southern Africa masikhuluma amaqiniso but njengamanje into ebig kwiChiefs ama fan base there's nothing big team about the Chiefs iyodwa nje
kunjalo kungathenga
iyodwa nje iChiefs technically there's no direction yabo naba no coach nabo uyabona ukuthi hayi iChiefs is too big bafethu to be coached by ama coach amangaka ama translators yabo
babuke based on ama wins last year babuka ukuthi angeke sithenge ngoba sesiswina kamnandi how do you win how do you phezulu lawo mawena nawo lapha abadlali bebedlala uzoyishaya yini iSundowns uzoyishaya yini iPirates yes Pirates yaluza 2 games yashaya nayo isikhukhune that time but bheke iperformance yaphuma kwiCAF Champions League but bheka something ye comeback uma sidlala home isishaya 3 goals so if ngiyisikhulu seChiefs ngibheka leyo game ngibuka ukuthi labantu abanzi comeback ne-team eya international uma sengibhekene nabo ngizobashaya yini mina since ngingakadlali nabo kusho ukuthi makuvuleka iwindow period fanele ngithenge ngithola ama-effective players azokwazi ukuconverta ama-lokhujana ama-bowler to ama-chances to ama-goal i-team yami ize iwin yabo cause ukushaya mhlambi Orbit College ukushaya nobani bani lokho akube ube ku number 1 kwilock noma ku number 2 lokho akuchaza ukuthi usuntswempu wena uzokeep iconsistency throughout iseason ekubeni usubonile ukuthi ama games athafu kanjani makuziwa kuma cup igame ye knockout kwakufanele kube i wake up call ukuthi hawu naku siphuma singakafiki kuma-quarter final kusho ukuthi anginaso i-depth ye-squad sami
Akuna
fanele
depth.
ngiyothenga
Nesquad nasasekho.
yabo fanele ngiyothenga ngazi ukuthi okay ngine-defender emnandi ukuthi uma kukhona olimele i-substitute nginama midfield ayi2 emangiwafakile ngine-striker kahle kahle ubani owabhena i442 futhi ubani wayibhena ukuthi ingabi saba khona
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
Yeah.
Before sisize lapho ku442 uthi wena kumele i-Chiefs ibe ne-depth. I-depth phela ngisesikhuluma nebench lapho. Akhona yena ama-status.
Ayi
Akhona yena ama-status sesiya ku-Cosmel nje akhona yini abantu ukuthe sazi ukuthi okay la hayi ke masibophele la i-best starting 11 ikhona.
Da Silva phela bakhona
uDa Silva uyafana nomuntu ole esandlwane eBackville le emampepetheni le u-isolated akana service umuntu uyamfonela tu akana i-service ayikho uyedwa u-isolated nje indaba yakhe ayikho
yazi ama-cross ayi2 washayile uvele ebhayi kwangena amanye ama-cross awashayile second half namanye ashayile khujana aphelele lawo ma-cross ngoba ashayiwe ama-cross ngoba aphelele
the only good cross i-Chiefs ebenayo ile defend but the last thing ekumele i-Chiefs ilokhu nje ilungise futhi i-transition yabo i-transition yayo hayi bafethu ayingeke mina yabo nje indaba ye-Chiefs ngazi mina
hayi no bafethu well done to i-Richards Bay ayibo i-Richards Bay ngokuwina kamnandi yashaya abantu abangafuni ukuthenga sizobuya futhi ne-report ukuthi badlale kanjani basebeluze bashawe i-team eyodwa yabashaya kwi-cup yabashaya kwi-league bathola isibhaxo kwi-home ground bathola isibhaxo and away wonke lawo ma-report afaka i-Sundowns i-Chiefs ne-Pirates sobuya nawo futhi uma sesibona
ayeza but kusasa bafethu ucela sihlangane futhi soshaya ilekhonja ama-log leaders Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu then ngo-Friday and uLesine siyabuya ke bafethu ne-annual monthly report stats la ngoba besechazile nje usibuda libuda ukuthi ke sesizoveza unina belungu bethu ukuthi izingane zenze kanjani phela ngithina siyi-clean governance siyatshengisa nje ukuthi ayikwenzeke kanjena ke bafethu obala
cela nisikhumbule ukusifollowisha kuma-socials ethu
YouTube
yabo enye-ke bengifuna ukuyisho khona le u-TikTok starting.11 wamagama bese kuba hoyinamba
okay
ningadideki even naku-YouTube
@starting11 wenumber then bese kuba XI
danki siyabonga